Wait, don't buy chocolate cake just yet. What if I told you this one is unbelievably soft, light and moist? And the secret is in the last few steps, so watch the end. I am done, and this I make my moist chocolate cake. First, let's make our homemade buttermilk. Add your milk and lemon juice, then give it a good mix. Leave it aside for 5 to 10 minutes whilst we start the cake. Into a mixing bowl, add your sunflower oil and sugar. The oil helps keep the cake moist and tender, whilst the sugar adds sweetness and helps create that soft texture we are looking for. Give everything a good mix until well combined. This mixing step is important because it helps to uniformly distribute the sugar throughout the oil. Now, add in your eggs and mix again until they are fully incorporated. This step is important because we want the eggs uniformly distributed throughout the mixture, helping create a smoother batter and giving the cake a lighter, more consistent texture. Now for the dry ingredient, in goes our flour, followed by cocoa powder. Next, salt, baking soda, vanilla powder, and finally, baking powder. Give everything a quick mix, just enough to combine all the ingredients uniformly. Don't overmix at this stage. We just want everything properly incorporated. Now, our homemade buttermilk goes in. Mix gently until everything comes together into a smooth, uniformly incorporated batter. And if you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. More homemade recipes are coming your way. Now comes one of the important steps. Add your warm water and mix it through. This helps loosen the batter and gives the cake that beautiful light and tender texture. Don't worry if the batter looks thinner than you expected. That's exactly what we want. Give it one final mix, scrub down the sides, and pour the batter into a prepared pan lined with parchment paper. Give the pan a few gentle taps to remove any large air pocket. Into a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius and bake for about 25 minutes. Keeping the temperature controlled allows the cake to bake uniformly without setting the outside too quickly, helping us achieve that soft and tender crumb. And now look at this. Honestly, I don't even have much to say. Just look at how soft, light, and fluffy this cake is. For more amazing homemade recipes, check out my playlist. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Till we meet in the next one, peace out. Bon appetit.